Shisngi hadian belami kajingyakan ad hapadeng kajat menriu kuki bat ke Meitei. Hanong ba Shillong ke basapriang na kajingyakan ad ha Manipur. Kibor pulit kajela kila penlong ya kajingelang hapadeng kinong ilam jong kiteki artli ki jat menriu ban pentikna ya ka syongsuk syongsan. Habai keren bat kilat patai kubor hadian jong kiteki kajingelang. U DGP jong kajela u LR Bishnoi. Uloong ba kinong ilam jong kiteki jat menriu kila pentikna ban ba ka syongsuk syongsan bat ban wengno ya kajingya per jingmut. Ketika jingya kan at kabamnu malah hapadeng kiteki artli ki jat benriu. Kala jaman ha kanok pai sngi jong ka sngi palai ha ka than nong shiliang. U DGP ulo ong ba lada donkam kibor pulit ki nyai beteng ban penlong biang ya ka jingya keren hadin habut. Kibor pulit kila penklan ya kibor pahara hakin riut li kidong jong kanong ba Shillong.
It was very minor scuffle, misunderstanding, and police reached on the spot immediately, and we counseled them properly. Proper counseling was done, and they also realized their mistake, and they assured us never to take law into their own hands from now onwards. And in good faith, both the community leaders they executed bond, and we have allowed them to go back.
Uwe unong nya trok ubala lai pusau senem kereta. Ula syasiat yap ha ki BSF hajan kasnong mausun ha kelenti na pen ursla syadauki nen kajanmit. Kani ka trok kadai ka bawan na light lingkot batmu ban leit penhap masih ha kawe ka jaka ka badan hajan pen ursla ha kapor bawan ja kani ka jingja. Kajing taukit bat ki pulit kadang ya chakmat ha ka baidai bat kani ka jingja. Daki spa ngut ki